Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are back in San Nicola Arcella today, and we're in this beautiful complex tucked away in kind of a gardeny little area with some beautiful trees, super close to Historic Center. In fact, you could just walk there so easily. But I want to show you this place. It feels a million miles away, even though you're super close to all shops and services. Check it out. Here's what I'm looking out on. Look at these pretty trees here. And there's a little walkway down below. That's how we came in here. And this whole space here is your terrace. It's all yours. And you look out, like I said, you look out on trees and beautiful plants and whatnot. It's also very cool here. I noticed a marked drop in temperature when we got into this complex. And I think it's just because of all the vegetation that's here. Very nice. Here's a stairway coming up. And again, this whole terrace is all yours. Let's go take a look. I'm intrigued by this place. Okay, little step up here. Ooh, this is pretty. Wow, this is your kitchen soggiorno area. I love how this is laid out. Every room opens onto this magnificent terrace. This is really nice. Super big kitchen soggiorno space. Lots of room for all your extra like china cabinets and things like that. They've got all the patio furniture in here, which is normal during the winter time. It makes the space look smaller, but believe me, it's quite a large kitchen soggiorno area. Or actually soggiorno area, because I don't see the kitchen. Let's go have a look. Hello guys. Ooh, what a cute kitchen. Oh my gosh, I love this kitchen. Okay, look at it, guys. I love the gray and white tiles, like a checkerboard. So cute. And it has a little terrace out here in the back, which I see that a lot in kitchens. It's to let all the heat and the smell out, but that's not a little terrace. This is a huge terrace. In summer, this could be a really cool, nice little refuge space. And you've got a sink over there and a hose bib so you can hose it off. I always like that. But I really like this kitchen, you guys. Oh, and it looks to be brand new. I didn't look at the cabinets, but look at them. This is a nice new kitchen. I don't know if the kitchen comes with the unit, but I'm sure you can negotiate something. There's your fridge. Relatively good sized fridge for an apartment area here. You know, these tiles are nice. They're not dated at all. They're really nicely done. And I have to say, I love this kitchen. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's go through. Big hallway area here. And you've got one of the bedrooms here. Looks to be a single bedroom. You could probably shoehorn another bed in here or a matrimonial. It would be a little bit tight, but you could do it. Really nice. Again, opens out onto that gorgeous terrace. Down here you have the master bedroom. Really good sized. Oh my gosh, it's very pretty. And like they got the little mosquito nets up there so you can sleep with the windows open and be comfortable. And again, you look out on this gorgeous terrace with all of the trees and vegetation. And like I said, this is markedly cooler than the other apartments we looked at because of the vegetation surrounding it and where it's located. What a cute bathroom. Oh my goodness. It's in perfect shape. Look at the tiles are cute. I really like these little daisy tiles. And you've got a normal Italian shower right there. You've got a huge washer. It's actually quite big. And a lot of room in here. It's a good sized bathroom. Boy, this is, I have to say, if you want to describe this place in one word, it is comfort. It is set up for maximum comfort. The location is fabulous. The kitchen is cute. The soggiorno area is massive. And you have this gorgeous terrace, which really is the best of all possible worlds. Now, up there is the Historic Center. Just a short walk and you're there. This is a good one, guys.